Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how to create a scheduled meeting on Zoom application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, make sure that you already download the Zoom application and you already logged in with the account that you want. And after that, you just need to go click it to open it. And here, make sure that you are in the home sections or in the meeting sections. If you're already in a meeting section, you just need to take a look on these several options in the right upper corner here. And after that, you just need to jump into the schedule. And now you can just type the name of the meeting that you want to have, for example, math work. And after that, you just need to decide the schedule. So the start here, you just need to change it where do you want to have the meeting. If you want to have a meeting in Sunday, you can also adjust in the time too by just slide this part into the specific hours that you want to have. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. Make sure you also set the time zones too. If you would like to have a repetitions meeting, you can also change this part. But then if you're already done with everything, you just need to go click save. And now make sure that you just need to confirm. And here you go. There will be like set into your calendar about the meeting. And whenever you're done, just need to go click add. And now you already create a scheduled meeting on your Zoom application. So that's the tutorial today. Hopefully you're enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel for discovering more and more tips and tricks about several applications on your phone.